Hello again, David Reyes. Thanks for joining me today. We're on the back half of our hour here, and I've been talking to you about lots of fun stuff. Markets, concerned a little bit about where we're at market-wise, and I've mentioned several reasons. I was talking earlier about, when you manage money and when you are a retiree or pre-retiree, we don't want to have huge drawdowns. We have a philosophy, we call it, winning by not losing. Because you have a 50% loss in a portfolio right at retirement or near retirement or in retirement, you're talking you need 100% just to break even. And unfortunately, I've seen a lot of bloodshed over my 20 years in practice in the early 2000s and 2008. So, one of the 7 secrets, again, I've mentioned you earlier, I'm in the middle of finishing up a book called The Ultimate Retirement Blueprint, The 7 Secrets of a Stress-Free Retirement. I'm going to be giving out a white paper that I've written on that. That's basically kind of the outline of the book. So it's pretty powerful stuff. And it's over my 20 years what I feel that are the 7 secrets of a sound retirement, that you can feel good about and that you can feel certain that you're not going to have to experience some of these issues, that we've experienced in the past and have a lot less stress. And a couple of them I'm going to go over. And I talked a little bit earlier, the first number 1 rule, the cardinal rule is plan to live, not to die. Have a plan. Again, most people do not have a written financial plan, a written retirement distribution plan. All of our clients do. And that is number 1. How do you know where you're going to go if you don't have a plan? How do you know how to get there? Number 2, the second secret, maximize what is yours. This is about Social Security. Again, I've talked about it. We do Social Security workshops every month on helping you. We are experts. I'm an expert, one of the national experts in helping our clients, and I do a lot of speaking and teaching on maximizing, increasing your income. So if you want me to help you increase your income on Social Security, I can help you to do that. 3 is winning by not losing, as I was talking about. Most people don't realize they focus on the wrong thing. What happens is when you go into retirement, you're retired. If you're still thinking about what is the rate of return I'm receiving and how can I increase my rate of return, you're thinking the wrong thoughts. Okay, so let me help you with that. I have a term too I use is that people are inundated with information, flooded with information, but starving for wisdom. And isn't that true about a lot of things, especially with retirement planning? And hopefully I can impart some of my wisdom on you and help you and guide you. And, one of the things that I tell clients is we don't want to focus so much on how much, chasing return. Did we get the last ounce of the S&P 500 return? That's a dangerous game to play, especially today. Do you know that you only need 30% of the upside of the S&P 500 if you didn't have a losing year? So think about that. If you only got 30% of the S&P every year, so if it's up 10%, you got 3. It's up 20, you get 6. But it's down 30, you get 0. You beat the S&P 500. That's amazing. And I read a book on this several years ago, and then when I first read it, it just blew me away. It changed the way I looked at investment planning and retirement distribution planning for my life and for my clients. And so, believe it or not, there's ways to do that. If you're interested in some of these things I'm talking about, if you want a copy of my complimentary white paper, The 7 Secrets to a Stress-Free Retirement, please give me a call at 877-406-CALL, 877-406-2255. Again, 877-406-2255. The 4th secret is income for life. So the biggest fear people have is running out of money. So first off, we need to have a plan. We need to maximize Social Security. We need to protect what we have first, win by not losing. We need to create income streams for life, okay? So that has to do with Social Security. If you have less than $3 million of assets, I say, at least less than $2 million, you need some type of additional predictable income that has inflation protection in some cases, like Social Security, okay? So Social Security is a great asset. And the 5th secret of the 7 secrets is keep your favorite uncle out of your pocket, Uncle Sam. We want to minimize taxes, okay? So most of you overpay in income taxes. So what if I could show you strategies to reduce your taxes during income, to mitigate or eliminate taxes on Social Security, how to create tax-free income streams? These are all the things that we do, okay? And things I've done for many, many years. Number 6 on the list of the 7 secrets of a stress-free retirement is the silent killer, inflation. Inflation is violent as a mugger, as frightening as an armed robber, and as deadly as a hitman. If anybody knows who said that, I'll give you $1 here. But that was Ronald Reagan in 1980. Inflation is as violent as a mugger, as frightening as an armed robber, and as deadly as a hitman. And that's when we had, double-digit inflation. And the reason I bring this up is, I'm not a predictor. I'm a protector of assets, but there's a possibility out there that we could have significant inflation, okay, with the national debt that we have. The Federal Reserve is looking at, really by default increasing interest rates by tapering. Even at just a tame 3.5% inflation rate, you're going to need to have twice the amount of assets 20 years out, or twice the amount of income. So if you're living on $6,000, $7,000 a month of income, you're going to need $14,000 a month of income. So if you're living on $10,000 a month income and you're 65 at 85, you could need, $20,000 a month of income. Do you have a plan, like my clients do, to make sure that we deal with that issue? So the 7th secret is protect your nest egg. So I'm talking about asset protection, long-term care. Do you have proper structures for your real estate? If you're a business owner, do you have proper planning to protect you? So if you're interested in these 7 secrets of a stress-free retirement, or you'd like to talk to me about a plan, a complimentary second opinion, give me a call at 877-406-CALL, 877-406-2255. Again, 877-406-2255. And again, either meet with me personally. Also, I will send you a copy of my white paper and the precursor to my new book, The Ultimate Retirement Blueprint, The 7 Secrets of a Stress-Free Retirement. So again, if you'd like to receive a copy of this white paper or schedule a complimentary second opinion, give me a call at 877-406-CALL, 877-406-2255. You also can visit us on our website at reyesplan.com. And again, I want to talk about our Social Security workshops that we have one coming up, so I want to talk about it today. And we have workshops that we hold monthly talking about Social Security and how to integrate Social Security into your retirement plan, because you can't just do Social Security planning. If you do that, you're going to take the least amount. You have to integrate your Social Security with your other assets, with your income, with your pensions. What about taxes? Okay. So we hold monthly workshops and basically teach you how to maximize and integrate a proper retirement distribution plan using Social Security as a piece of that puzzle. So if you want to register for one of our workshops, you can always go online. Again, that's reyesplan.com. That's reyesplan.com. That's reyesplan.com, or you can give us a call anytime. We have our staff is 24/7 with people that will accept your call to register or speak with me personally. Again, 877-406-CALL, 877-406-2255.
A well-designed, tax-free retirement. Tax-free retirement. And you can have it.
How come I didn't find out about this before?
The retirement architect, David Reyes, will continue next.
How would you like to pay zero taxes on your retirement income? You heard it right, zero taxes. Most Americans are sitting on a time bomb and won't even realize it until it's too late. Up to 85% is taxable due to poor IRA distribution planning. Would you like to know how to reduce or eliminate those taxes? Our advanced planning can show you how to turn your retirement account and your Social Security money into a lifetime of tax-free income. Call Reyes Financial Architecture now at 877-406-CALL. That's 877-406-2255. Our 7 secrets to a stress-free retirement kit might be your first step to a tax-free future. Just imagine that. No taxes on your retirement income and no required minimum distribution. It's time to take control of your retirement by removing the shackles of government that tell you how much to withdraw and how much you can keep keep of your hard-earned money. This service is absolutely free. Call Reyes Financial Architecture now at 877-406-CALL. That's 877-406-2255.
Did you know there are 567 ways to claim your Social Security? Mistakes could cost you up to $250,000 in lifetime benefits. Take charge now. Get yourself educated. Reyes Financial Architecture is your San Diego expert in maximizing Social Security and retirement income. Sign up now for our next workshop, Smarter Social Security and Income Planning. Call now, 1-877-406-2255.